Welcome back to our series 100 Tips for Video Editors. Today, we're diving into tip number 32, maintaining screen direction. Maintaining consistent screen direction is vital for spatial continuity. It ensures your audience doesn't get lost during the edit. Think of it this way: if a character is walking from left to right in your first shot, they must continue moving in that same direction in the next shot to maintain the flow of movement. This is defined by the 180-degree rule. Imagine an invisible line or axis of action between your subjects. By keeping the camera on one side of this axis, you ensure the characters always face the correct way relative to each other. If you accidentally cross the line, your character will suddenly appear to be walking in the opposite direction. This mistake breaks spatial continuity, leaving your viewers feeling dizzy or confused about where the character is going. To fix a direction break, try using a neutral shot, like someone walking directly toward or away from the camera. This resets the viewer's brain, allowing you to transition back to a side view from either direction safely. Mastering these rules will instantly make your edits feel more professional and cohesive. Keep your flow consistent, and we'll see you in the next video for tip number 33.